Hey, this is Leslie with Denwerks Vintage Cars, and we have this really neat National Tire Service neon sign. This sign is so cool, 60 inches high. I'll have a photo of it with one of us standing next to it so you can get a visual. And it's a vertical, of course, and then it's 20 inches wide. The can on this is metal, and the metal is about 6 inches deep. National Tire Service, if you don't know, was a company, from what information we've gathered, from the 1930s. So memorabilia, automobilia from National Tire, very scarce. This is a reproduction sign. I have seen originals like this, and this is a reproduction of that logo that they had, very striking with the orange and blue. So just a very cool sign to hang. And if you want stuff from really rare companies, this would be one. And just an iconic company from back in the day. So go ahead and turn the lights off. I want to show you how nice this looks even during the day unlit. So if you didn't want to have it lit all the time, the orange really looks amazing. So here's an up close. And it's not heavy. It's probably about 30 pounds. It's got 4 of these brackets on it. Those are just for crating and shipping purposes, so they're removable. It has 2 pre-drilled mounting holes in the back for hanging a vertical sign, really nice in a shop too, because a lot of them are horizontal. It does come with the crate. And go ahead and flip it back on. So it does come with a crate. We can help with shipping arrangements. We've shipped a lot of automobilia, so we've got lots of options. And if we put our heads together, we can work it out to get it from us to you. Here's just a side shot of the can. And it's just 120 power. There's 2 plugs with 2 switches on it. So that makes it really nice and convenient as well. And we've also got photos in the gallery of this sign at night. And it looks awesome in the nighttime too. So thanks for checking it out, and let us know if you have any questions.